Well, howdy ho, good neighbor. We just finished a video of Will C. Wood School. There she is, or he, however they want to identify these days. So let's get on the bicycle and go again. Are you ready? Yeah, here we go. Let's turn it on. It's got a sleep mode where it turned off on me. Let's see if it came on. Let's go, let's go. There it goes. Let's follow them. All right, microphone's on. Camera's on. Action. Okay, here we go. So, when I was a kid, no one ever went and saw me play, but that's okay. It looks like they have their own flags from different sports teams. I don't know. All right, here you go. That's what it looks like at Alameda. All these parents come and sit in the sun and watch their kids run around. Isn't that neat? All right, let's go. Keep going. See if I can get through over here. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Let's get back home. Look at all these cars for all these kids. Oh, classic car alert, classic car alert. Yep, Adam Nawoo would say that. All right, wind's really blowing. I wonder how this microphone's working. I don't know. Testing. I guess I should get out there on the bike path. That's what they're for. Let's go. Bike path, activate. There's Will C. Wood. We just left her. There she is, Will C. Wood. Do you see any wood? Wrong way, driver. All right. Goodbye, Will C. Wood. You're growing quick. So is the street. All right. Here comes a car. I got to quit messing around. Let's go. Oh, look at that stop sign all lit up. Wow. You better not go straight or you'll end up right in the San Francisco Bay. I wonder if this bike will go in that sand. I don't know. I don't want to even try. Why would I put sand in my gears? And I have this beautiful bike path. Are you ready? All right, let's see how fast. The wind's at our back. We're gonna see if we can get this baby past the speed limit. Speed limit's 25. We're going 27, 28, 28. And there's a oncoming 30 miles per hour, and there's someone on my side of the road. 31. Slow down. 31 miles per hour. And here comes a jump. Whoa, evil! Knievel! Whoa, I could have really caught air if I wanted to. I didn't want to show off though. That's not like me to show off. I don't do that much. But I'll tell you what, let's see if we could pass this ordinary bicycler. See how he's stopping in it. When he stops pedaling, his momentum stops, but not this one. This bike's almost dangerously fast. See how fast I come up on these people? You almost scare them because they're just not ready for that. You gotta give them the old bell. You're okay. All right, there you go. We ran into a little traffic. And that's what happens. Okay, now we're on the move. We're at a cool little 28 in the wind. All right, let's do a little microphone check, make sure it didn't fall off. Oh, Corey, there's always one that cuts right in front of oncoming traffic. Oh my goodness. Always one, always one. Idiots. Just messed up all my momentum. You believe that? I should have just crashed right into him. Whose fault would that be? I don't know. Yeah, like I said, it's dangerously fast. These people don't even see me coming on so fast. Now, was I supposed to stop there? I don't know. I guess you're supposed to obey all traffic laws, you know, so be careful of people coming out of their cars. That's right, that's right. That door will really mess you up. Oh, he's on, whoa, that's almost something to get a video of. Hold on, stop. I gotta see this guy. Let's turn around here. You see that? They're like, and then you got this guy. That's what I stopped to see. What are those guys walking on? This almost his own video. Cut. Well, it is apparent that I am on a bike ride and I've come across these two alien species walking in this predative form. Now, I don't know what this is about. Is this more physical? What is this? Why are they? I don't see any benefit of that. Is it easier? I don't know. I'll try to turn my bike off so I can get no noise. And you can hear the actual noise of it. It's like they made them or something. I don't know. I've never seen anything like it. Have you? All right. Enough of this nonsense. Here we go. Let's kick this baby back into gear. I'm going to go off-road here. And hopefully these people aren't going where I'm going. They're going to take them off. All right, let's keep going. Now, do I want to go down this? Let's just keep doing this video. Go off-road. Here we go. I don't see anybody, so how would you like to go a little off-road in Alameda? Fat tire bike. Here we go. Maybe we'll do a little ASMR. You ready? No talking. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, we made it. All right, we'll chase him down. You can't beat me. Pedal all you want, boys. All right, let's kink this thing up. I was in slow gear. I'm cranking it up to high gear. Here we go. How do you like this guy's front yard? That's his front yard. Very nice, very nice. Here we go. Oh, nice shot. Okay, here we go. They actually started building this house. Well, they just did the foundation, but I don't see anything happening here. All right, I think I'm from Tawada Park. I'll just do a little time lapse on the handlebars. How about that? All right, let's cut right here. I said cut, cut. Well, as always, I want to thank you again for coming along with me on these bicycle riding adventures. You know the drill. Peace, love, all that hippie jazz. Bye-bye, everybody.